God damn it.
Wish I could wear peace like this shirt on my back, then give it away whenever somebody asks. Every time I try, I catch myself reaching for it from someone else. Why is it so hard to hold on to? Maybe I'm obsessed with a hurried rush. Whenever I slow down, I beat myself up. So much time I worrying what could be or what I might have been. Second guessing every move I make. I wanna trust myself.
So, I'm at a bit of a dilemma here. Yesterday, I managed to get lucky and book a spot at Milford Sounds Campground. The only problem is, well, two problems. One, I still have no reception, so I can't check what the actual road conditions are like. And two, it's bloody raining. Now, it might be easy enough to say, oh hey, well, it's only raining, just drive slowly, drive carefully. But the problem is, over the past couple of days, I have been looking into what the road conditions are like to Milford Sound. A few days before, the road was completely closed until like 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon due to a snow and avalanche warning. And then there was another point where the roads were closed due to rain and possible flooding. So, with that being said, given my current circumstances, I don't know if I just want to lose the $50 and not go, or somehow just luck my way through it. I am kind of tempted to drive back towards Tetanau, get phone reception, sit there for a minute to work out if it is still worth me going, because, well, I mean, I'm looking at the conditions outside and I can't even tell where the water is and where the bloody mist starts. So the weather's kind of just turned out for the worst, honestly. This sucks. I'm just gonna have to, I think the smartest thing to do is just drive back to town, get phone reception, and then actually make a educated decision based off that. I mean, it's entirely possible that I don't go to Milford Sound at all this trip, which, as disappointing as it might be, it may be for the best. I'm really not too sure though. Like, I spent all the effort trying to book a bloody fucking campsite yesterday. I'd managed to get it. But is it even worth given the current conditions? We'll find out.
Part of my heart's grown cold within. Gotta find a way to feel the heat again.
So I managed to get my phone reception back. And I'm gonna be honest, the options aren't looking great, but I think I've made a decision. But before I do anything else, I'm hoping I can actually fill up water and dump the grey water out here. at least try to kill two birds with one stone.
I'm gonna trust myself. Oh, I'm gonna love myself. I'm gonna trust myself, love myself, believe in myself like I used to. I'm gonna trust myself, be enough for myself, ring my own bell like I used to.
Wait a minute. Is it snowing? Okay, that's not what I was expecting. Holy shit. Okay, that is the last thing I was expecting. Oh boy. The only problem I have, or the only concern that I have, is about the roads. Holy. Okay, this is kind of nuts. This is definitely not what I was expecting. And seeing the other drivers going slow, I was not expecting to see snow. Rain was one thing, snow is a whole different thing entirely. Jesus Christ, I'm moderately concerned still. This is insane. I'm absolutely terrified. Oh no, but it's gonna be shit weather today. Well, shit is one way to put it. I mean, it's shit weather for driving. It's great weather for everything else under the goddamn sun. You know what? Now that I think about it, I think I've seen it all this trip. I've had rain, I've had clouds, I've had sun, and now I've had snow. Is there anything else that I've missed so far? Because at the moment it looks like I'm going for a full weather bingo card here. Oh, okay, and now the road's being backed up here. Not too sure what's going on. Oh, okay, putting my hazards on. probably some sort of accident up ahead. Something's going on down there. I'm not too sure what it is. But now I've got a van parked up behind me. You can't really see it because it's bloody dark at the moment. I can't be bothered adjusting. But, wow, okay, this is an interesting turn of events. People are getting out of their cars and they've got umbrellas. I reckon road's either closed. Yeah, it looks like road's either going to be closed to avalanche warning or it's an accident. It has to be one of the two at this point. I can see another van coming down this way, but it feels like we'll be here a while or we're going to be here all day. Either way, makes for a very interesting turn of events. I assume the whole road's like this, yeah?
Well, it's sort of funny today. It's kind of like this. It's not too bad after you get over Plateau and up and up.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too bad. Then you get up and climb up to Monkey Creek.
Yeah.
So we're running convoys from Monkey Creek over.
Oh, yep, okay.
So there's a bit of a delay. If you don't have, if you're not in a big hurry or anything, we'll get you over there.
Yeah, okay.
It's just whether, you know, it's supposed to keep snowing and everything.
Right, because my assumption was, what, if you had no snow chains, turn back, but...
Yeah, I'm telling everybody not to put chains on, wait for the truck and see how you do.
Oh, okay.
What's going to happen is you put them on, you might have to take them off and then put them back on again.
Yeah, well, the thing is, I don't have chains because I wasn't expecting it to snow, so...
And then chains are so-so anyway.
Yeah.
So. But if you sit tight, you'll see a plow truck coming through soon.
Oh, all right, sweet.
Yeah.
Too easy, man.
Yeah.
Cheers. Nah. Yeah, that dude just told me, so...
Yeah, but...
You reckon it's still worth it?
I don't think so, bro.
Because that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, I might as well just head back to town and then just regroup there, honestly.
I think we're going to do that, bro.
Yeah?
Because by the time he gets through, it's going to be 20 minutes by the time he gets here. He's going to have to do a couple of runs up and down there.
Yeah, that's true. And it's, we've still got like 40, 50 Ks to get to Milford anyway, so...
That's right. Might be better off just biting.
Yeah, that's fair enough then.
I'm going to head back down, find some reception, make a few phone calls. Are you on a cruise as well?
No, not the cruise.
Oh, true.
Yeah, because I booked a campsite up the top, and I was just like, because I wasn't sure what the deal was with the weather, so I'm like, it's either a 50-50.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I was like, yeah, cool. I drove along and I started seeing snow. I'm like, oh shit.
Here we go.
Well, what's the deal?
Yeah, that's right too. Yeah, nah. So I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet, turn around, and call it a day.
Yeah, I think that'll be most of us, to be honest.
Yeah, for sure. All right then, brother. Will you drive safe out there? Right?
Yeah, you too, man. Take it easy. Well, there you have it, folks. Everyone's gonna call it. Hard to believe that it's only 12:30. Only 12:30. And I've gone through all this shit. Jesus Christ. behind the driver's seat. Let's get rid of all the bloody extra shit. Oh, it's these. It has to be these. Thank God. Okay. Training on the grey water. Finally. This. I want to drink the rest of that too. And oh, it doesn't get better than this. Alright, so there's a bit of a change of plans. I am going to move back towards Queenstown. I've made a booking at a campsite or camper van park for the night, which is only about an hour and a bit, backtracking the way that I came. This has been a bit of a bust, and if I'm being honest, I'm still quite tired of all the driving and everything else that's taken up my day. I'm gonna put the camera down for now because I just wanna focus on just driving and getting set up for the rest of the day because I am pretty exhausted from all of this. So give me a little bit and I'll get back to you soon. So I made it to a campsite. Couple, what, 30 minutes south of Queenstown. And look, I'm gonna be honest, the weather sucks. The entire drive down, it's basically been raining, then snowing, raining, and then snowing again. And then top it all off, when I got into the caravan park, it started snowing again. So all in all, it's been a bit of a day. You know, I've only had 2 decent days so far since I've been here. And every other day has been quite rough, if I'm honest. I was lucky to have a very nice and sunny day yesterday. Only for today to turn around and, well, be this. The entire drive over here to this caravan park, it's mostly just been rain followed by bits of snow and then rain again, and then when I got here it started snowing again. It hasn't been the most ideal, but we make the most of it and we do what we can. Sometimes it is what it is, and you just gotta take it as they come. But it's still have to admit sometimes that these things just suck. Yep, it's cold. So I probably should just go straight to bed, because feels like -1 is absolutely freezing. Alright, I'm just gonna close this out here. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.